Hello, I am Karan Viswakarma from India. This is our multilingual screen translator application called Spot Translation NLP. You can see it here. This is our application look like a tool. It can translate your whole screen in many different languages. See, this is a YouTube page. We translate this whole page into Hindi. See, it works completely offline without sending your sensitive data to the cloud. We personally wanted an application like this, something that can translate instantly without switching to another application. But existing tools are limited. Some only work with a plain text, other only inside a browser, and none handle both text and images directly on the screen. When we joined this hackathon, we were asked to build a local application using GPT-OSS that gave us the perfect reason to create tool we always wanted. Now with Spot Translation NLP, we can translate any text or text inside images instantly without leaving the current application. We built this as a Python desktop app using the PyQt framework. For OCR, we integrated Easy OCR, and for translation, we used GPT-OSS to support multilingual natively. Our whole page translated into Hindi. This is the final result as fast, private, and truly local screen translator. Now you can summarize this also using just clicking this button summarization. See, this is a summarization according to this language you selected, right? Now it is saying more images using this application to translate for translation as we go. And also we are using API key to running GPT-OSS. If you want to run it locally, go to setting, check run GPT-OSS locally, apply, then it suggests to download Olama and download GPT-OSS from it. Okay.